Hi guys, my name is Kay and I'm here to show you this under desk elliptical machine. This comes fully assembled, which is so nice. It's really easy to start using, and this is basically the full machine. It also comes with a remote. Here it is on automatic mode. So there's automatic and manual, and between those two modes there's several different speeds as well, and it's very customizable. It shows you calories, your time, and your speed, and this little remote will do everything, or you can control it on the machine's screen itself. It has this nice non-slip pad on the bottom, and the cord is fairly long. Overall, I think this is great. It is geared kind of towards seniors and people that just need to get a little bit more exercise, but I work from home, and this is so nice that you can just stick it under your desk and you can have it do the automatic pedaling, which you're still moving, or you can do it manual and make it really hard on yourself. I was gifted this for my honest review, but I've had a lot of fun with it. Again, it's fully assembled, very sturdy, super easy to use. It has a remote, and overall, it's just great quality.